Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Alright, today's video is regarding this makeup look that I have on today. Just two colors, a yellow and a blue. And that's pretty much it. And still working with this. Well, today makes 7 days that I had this twist out. It's still looking a good little something something, but I'll be washing my hair this weekend, probably Sunday. But yeah, so any video, if you wouldn't mind just hitting that subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you never miss an upload, and like my video. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. I'm using my Lauralee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and I'm just using these two colors, the dark blue and that yellow there. I am using my little e.l.f. Crease brush, and I'm taking that blue color in the crease and slightly above the crease so that you can see that, and it has a little bit of dimension there. And then next I am going in with my MAC paint stick that's in the color white, and you use that paint stick so that your colors will be more vibrant. Like when you're using lighter colors, you put white on first and then put the color that you want on top, and it makes it more vibrant. See that? See how now that yellow just pops out? I mean, the color is pigmented already because that Party Animal palette is a good one, but the white just makes it pop even more. That thing is showing up like a yellow. And these are the lashes I'm using today from Shop Miss A. They were $1.55. And the foundation that I did use today was the Fashion Fair, and I'm just putting a little extra on because I had already applied it, and just putting a little extra on those little spots of mine and blending that out a bit. I am using the Morphe concealer. I did do a review on all the Morphe products, and that video will be listed below, as well as all the products that I'm using today. If you don't get everything that I'm saying, it will be listed in the description below. And I'm taking my little Real Techniques mini sponge here to blend this out. And yeah. I am using the Patrick Starrr finishing powder to set underneath my eyes, as well as everywhere that I place that Morphe concealer. I'm just setting all that with that Patrick Starrr powder. All right, and then next I am taking the Party Animal palette again and using that same dark blue color just to put under my lash line, just to bring that out and make it the look, you know, more complete. And I did put on the Kat Von D lash liner in my waterline, which is completely black. I really love that. Now I'm just contouring up my face and my nose with the Makeup Geek contour. Again, all the products will be listed below, so if I don't say, you know, the names of everything, it will be listed so that you can take a look at that. And after I do my face, I am going to go ahead and do my nose, which I don't always do my nose, but I was feeling it today, so I decided to go ahead and chisel that nose out a bit. All right, and guess what, y'all? Today, oh, you know what, never mind, forget that part. And next I'm going in with my Patrick Starrr blush duo. That's from his spring collection, and I'm using my Real Techniques brush. I really like this color. And of course, y'all know my Babes in Paradise highlight palette from Bretman Rock. I love that highlight palette. I like it better than the Anastasia one, which I also have, but I don't use that often. All right, and guess what? This is what I was saying, guess what, for y'all. Your girl is using a lip liner. Yes, that is the NYX in Mauve. I told y'all, you know, I don't generally wear a lip liner because I don't, you know, I act like I don't have time to be getting them. I got a whole drawer or a whole container full of them, but I don't use them that often. But whatever, I used one today, and I'm using the limited edition matte color right there, which will be listed below. And yeah, I thought that that's a frost color also. And you know, normally I am a straight up and down matte girl, but today I was feeling a little frosty, so that's why I used it. And yeah, and that is the end of it. Have a nice night.